Access Doors and Locks is a well-established family-run business with over 20 years of experience. Working across central Scotland, we supply, install and maintain garage doors for commercial, domestic, industrial and retail customers. We also supply and install remote control systems, roller shutters, sectional doors, fire doors, wire mesh grills, gates and more. Our highly trained engineers offer a 24-hour call-out service and full aftercare service. So for a free quotation and more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us today.